Welcome to this tutorial video. I'm Tian from the Abuti Academy, and we're going to look at the foundation phase of the 5 African languages that we offer. So all you need to do is activate the software or log in with your login details. Let's choose isiXhosa for this specific tutorial. And we will email you the activation code necessary to access or to activate the software. I'm just going to log in. And you will get to a page where you can view this training video, read some instructions, or just skip to the activity page. So let's do that. I'm going to choose English for this specific tutorial. And here you can see how easy we've made the platform and the software for you to use. At the top, you have your 6 buttons named Teacher's Guide, Workbooks, Animations, Audio, Extras, and Assessments. Now, if you want to access any of the materials, you will need to go down to this button, the Foundation Phase button, and a drop-down menu will appear with all the lessons. And let's choose the body for this tutorial. I'm going to select the body, and now I can choose any of these activities at the top. So let's quickly go to the workbook, just to give you an idea of how easy it is to access the materials. If I click on this workbook button, the workbook page will appear, and you can scroll down to see the activity page, like that. You can also make it full screen. So if I press on this button, it gives me the PDF in full screen, and to exit, I can just take the cursor and wait for the little X to drop down. So let's do that again. I'll go to the top, and then I can close that full screen. I can also go down and print this page. So I can download this page to my computer and then print it out for the students to use. Easy peasy. I also have a story in this specific lesson, so I can then click on this text that says story I like to run. And sometimes you just have to be patient or refresh when the Google Doc doesn't load. This does happen. So I'm just going to refresh quickly. There we go. Let's go down to the body again. I'm going to click on workbooks. And I'm going to click on story. There we go. So now I have my story that I can do the same. I can read it from the computer. I can make it full screen, or I can download it to my desktop or to a folder, which I can then use to print. Now, let's quickly go back to the top here, because I think a good place to start is to use the teacher's guide to guide you through the syllabus. So I've now clicked on the teacher's guide, and it automatically takes me to Module 1, Lesson 5. And here you can see the teacher's guide tells you that you're going to need to go to the workbook, page 10 to 12. You're going to watch an animation. You're going to listen to an audio track and vocabulary, for example. We also give you some guidelines, and we have help sections and suggestions in order for you to understand a little bit more about the language and help the students to understand a little bit more about the language. So when in doubt, just start with the teacher's guide.